Welcome to the Site-Specific Plan Amendment Process Education Series. This is the fourth presentation in this series, the Park Master Planning Process. The Fairfax County Park Authority's mission includes both providing recreational facilities and opportunities in addition to providing protection and stewardship of natural and cultural resources. In December 2016, these 7 guiding principles were adopted by the Park Authority Board to guide park planning, operations, and programming. The Park Authority is governed by a 12-member board that is appointed by the Board of Supervisors. 9 members represent the 9 supervisory districts, and 3 members are appointed at large. The park system is made up of over 23,000 acres of parkland in 427 individual parks. The parks are well loved and heavily used in Fairfax County. In 2016, the Park Authority completed a community assessment of park and facility needs. Results of the survey show that our parks are well used and highly valued by members of the community. Many residents want the county to reinvest in existing parks and facilities before building new ones. The needs assessment identified over $900 million of needed improvements to be carried out over a 10-year period. The policy plan element of the County Comprehensive Plan includes a Parks and Recreation section that establishes policies, objectives, and the general framework for the countywide park system. The Parks policy includes a classification system that shows 5 types of parks: local, district, county-wide, regional, and resource-based. Guidance for the park types includes appropriate uses, general park sizes, typical facility types, and the expected user experience. Urban parks are included in the local park types. They consist of public spaces in urban and mixed-use commercial, office, and residential settings that offer both active and passive recreation. The specific types and requirements of urban parks can be found in an appendix of the Parks and Recreation section titled Urban Parks Framework. A park master plan is necessary to establish the appropriate uses of a park and must be approved by the Park Authority Board and Planning Commission before park facilities can be built. An archive of park master plans can be found on the Park Authority's website. Most park master plans include a conceptual development plan that shows the general location of planned uses and facilities. The plan is conceptual and subject to final engineering during the design phase. Final engineering plans show grading, drainage, and stormwater management facilities. Some approved facilities may not be built due to lack of funding or may be phased in over time. Community members are involved throughout the entire park planning process. The Park Authority typically kicks off the master planning effort with a public meeting to provide information and hear the community's ideas and concerns about the park. A draft plan is developed by staff. The draft takes the citizens' input into account, along with site research and analysis, needs assessment data, and the comprehensive plan policies. The draft plan is presented to the community again, and feedback is accepted both at a public comment meeting and online during a 30-day public comment period. Based on the citizen input received, the plan may be revised. It is presented to the Park Authority Board for final approval. Next, the Park Authority seeks approval from the Planning Commission through the Public Facility Review process, also known as the 2232 process. This educational series also includes other presentations including comprehensive planning, the zoning ordinance, transportation planning, public facilities, and the capital improvements plan.